recently filmed a video with Charisma Rider and it was honestly so much fun, and all of the footage that I filmed was corrupted because of a Lexar memory 128 gig SD card that just didn't do its job. And man, am I bummed, because we filmed like the whole day and I wanted to do like a Yamaha XSR700 versus Yamaha FZ09 exhaust comparison, and it was honestly so much fun. Like I can't even explain it. I'm gonna try my best to try to get that footage back, but the sun is going down currently and I have the bike here with me, the beautiful XSR700, and I figured I would give you guys a Graves exhaust, some sound clips, and yeah, this thing looks incredible in the sun. So let's go ahead and just do a little tour around the bike and give you guys a little bit of an exhaust run. Full system exhaust, so it sounds so good, so good. Also, I'm not sure if I already mentioned it, but I wanted to do a Yamaha XSR700 first impressions video. I don't know if this is something you guys would be interested in doing. I thought it'd be kind of cool to give you guys my perspective from a new rider on this bike. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that, 200 likes and I'll make a first impressions video for the Yamaha XSR700. So far, I will give you this, I haven't had as much fun in my life as I ever had on a motorcycle. And like I feel like I missed out on so much waiting, but at the same time I'm glad that I did, and I can't complain at all. You know, I'm in such a great position at the moment, and I'm just so thankful for it. I can't wait to see where I get to take this bike. I have so many plans for it, so I'm very excited. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Here's a little flyby to end the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.